Yeah, I know, right? I got a seat. So I got a pretty baller seat. Recaro Pro Racer SPG or something. It's the fiberglass shell. It's just gloss black, but it's brand new. I did get it new. It is FIA certified for 5 years, and I got it with the halos or whatever they're called. Really not good use for street, or really not good for street use, but just gonna do it anyway. And I spent a whopping $2,000 on it, which he's not happy about, but I only got one seat because that's all I could afford. So the seat with the planted bracket and the side rails, so it's not gonna have sliders, it's gonna be fixed so no one can drive the car. And I'll get a regular Recaro seat later for a passenger seat. So here's the car that you all subscribed to me for. Yeah, the interior. It's beautiful and so comfortable, but I have to sell it because it's heavy. These seats are 70 pounds each. Fun fact. I'm also selling the door cards with the armrest, and I'm selling the back seats, which is currently folded down, and that kind of door card bit that's like in the back seat. But all this is obviously a lot of weight, and I was planning on gutting the car and doing like a full cage anyway, so yeah, so you know, $1,000 for a full interior. I don't think any other car can get that kind of price unless it's like a supercar of some kind. I am going to be switching to an OMP or Momo racing steering wheel eventually with a quick release, but just not right now because I love cruise control. So now I'm just going to take out just the driver one and replace it, and then probably another day there'll be another video of me like literally gutting the entire car and the trunk and everything that's in there and all the sound deadening and stuff. And I know how horrible it's going to be, but it's worth it because weight reduction and I don't have to add power to go faster. Like nothing to grab it by in the back. Holy fucking hell. Holy fucking big bitch.
So where are you putting it?
I don't know. Can you like kick the door to close or just anything? Close, please. Holy shit. Okay, in the living room we go. Oh yeah, that's really fucking heavy. Like that 240 seat wasn't even that 350 seat. Yeah, I can't even fit through. Oh, so nice. Oh my god.
Turn my flashlight all the way up.
This car is going to be impossible to get into with a stock steering wheel. Oh, that feels so cool though. Holy crap.
Wow, look at you. Pro Racer.
That's what the seat's name is. And this. Like all the way down like that. Yeah, it's way too far. Like that. It's hard to like hold it because if I let go it like slide back. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
I mean, there's gonna be door cards or smaller door cards. Hey guys, so next day here, I finally got the seat bolted to the seat bracket. My voice, I'm getting sick, but yeah, I got it bolted to the thing, and I just didn't record it because, you know, I don't think you guys want to see me carry the seat in here. Like, I did it like 4 or 5 times just to get the whole leg situated thing. I'm 6'3/6'4", whatever, somewhere there. So I obviously care about being as low as possible, and I still have like 3 to 4 inches to the headliner, which is way more than enough with helmet. And then once I remove the sunroof and do a carbon fiber roof without any headliner, it'll be like 5 inches, so I have more than enough headroom. Definitely need to get a quick release steering wheel though, because it's so hard to get in and out of the car with the seat. But what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the shit under the driver's seat because I won't have a time to do that again. And I've been taking out the rear seats and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't really get a chance to record this because this is like so hectic in here. But I put the lamp in here so you guys could see. Wow, a lot of weight. It's like something like 40 to 50 pounds by just removing the rear seats. And there's like this thick like rubber shit, which I already kind of took out, but you could see it like that thing right there, the foam. It's like thick rubber with foam, and it's actually pretty heavy. It feels like some kind of like thick rubber armor almost, but it's all underneath the rear seats, and I just took all of it out. There's still sound deadening, which you could see right there, which me and Dan both have to remove the sound deadening from our cars anyway, so we'll probably get like dry ice like in a month or two in the summer when we get around to it, and probably bash those out because that is also weight and stuff like that. So I just have to take out that rear seat. I already took out this side. Yeah, this car has a lot of sound deadening, like I just said. There's a reason why it's so quiet and comfortable, honestly, which, like I said, I don't give a shit about it being loud. Had the 240, I could literally see the rear wheel moving through the wheel arch, so I've been through the, depths of hell when it comes to gutting cars, so I'm totally fine with this. If it means this thing's gonna handle even better and accelerate even better, hell yeah. These seats, heavy as hell. You saw me, I almost put my damn back. It's like 70 pounds each. It's wild. They have like their own, like, you know what I thought? For the seatbelt, I'm gonna be using a street seatbelt in this car when I drive on the street, because harnesses on the street are honestly kind of really stupid, especially in a seat like that with the halo. I won't be able to have like, I'll have crazy blind spots. With a normal seatbelt, I can lift my body off of the seat and look around the halo. But yeah, so I thought, like I'm used to 240s, it's just a seatbelt with a metal bracket that you unbolt the bolt from the seat, and there you go, you have a seatbelt to buckle to your new thing. But no, this BMW, they have like a crazy tension mechanism to the seatbelt that when the seatbelt exerts enough force, it releases the airbags or some kind of airbag signal. So there's no way I can unbolt that. So what I'm using is the seatbelts back here. Actually see, like this. I'm going to be probably just cutting off one of these. Hopefully scissors can cut through the shit. And I'll be bolting one of these, whatever, into the side of the seat bracket. And this clicks into that. So I'll have a seatbelt. It'll be flabby, so I'll probably have to reach down there and grab it. But yeah, it's a seatbelt. I need a seatbelt. It's important. Wear your seatbelt, kids. It's a pretty damn big difference if you crash. So I'm just going to finish up on taking out the rear seats. Then I'm going to put in the driver's seat after vacuuming this and pull the car out into the driveway at like 10 p.m., which it is right now, I think. And pull out that passenger seat, which is just 4 bolts. Pull it out. And I got to take this to work tomorrow at 6 a.m. So yeah, that'll probably be it for today on that. So let me just get started on this shit. So I installed the seat with 3 bolts. Just really ghetto, and I'm not proud of it, but you can see it moves because it's the back right one. If you move it the other way, it's sturdy, but it's annoying because these bolts are actually long boys. I put it over there, but you could kind of see the bolt. It's really long, and they make the right side of the bracket, they make it really stupid, where like, you see how this nut, how this covers it so you can't access it. Well, this is just a nut, so it's okay, but on the back it's a bolt, and you can't fit a bolt that's almost 2 inches in between here to put it in the hole. So I'm going to have to go to Home Depot or something, find a grade 8 bolt that's the same thread pitch, and just get one that's literally shorter. Because, yeah, I don't know why it's like that. Bracket's kind of designed really stupidly, but just going to pull it out of the garage now, do the 4 bolts for the passenger seat, unhook the wiring harness, and pull it off, and that should be it for tonight.